When websites will not load, the cause is often a connectivity hiccup. In this video, we will explain how to fix DNS and connectivity problems in Windows. The DNS, or Domain Name System, translates website names into the addresses computers use. When it fails, pages will not open even though your internet works. Start simple by restarting your router and your PC, which clears many temporary issues. Run the built-in network troubleshooter found in Settings under Network and Internet, as it detects and fixes common problems automatically. A powerful fix is flushing your DNS cache. Open the command prompt and type the command to clear it, which removes outdated entries that may be causing trouble. You can also try changing your DNS servers to a faster, public option in your network adapter settings, which sometimes improves both speed and reliability. Release and renew your network address using simple commands if your connection seems stuck. Update your network drivers through the device manager. Disable and re-enable your network adapter to reset the connection. Working through these steps resolves most DNS and connectivity issues, getting you back online and browsing smoothly again.